Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video of my captures, Prashant Captures. And today we are going to take some close-up shots of nature, not micro, just close-up. So because we are not having micro lens, and grab some snacks or drink because you're worth it and enjoy the video. So today the climate is some cloudy, and I'm searching for something good. Actually, I like this place, and for close-up shots we have a kind of flowers here. I'll show you. So I want to capture them. So we are going to capture these flowers. I don't know what are they. They look like datura, a small datura. So let's capture them. They are good, and you know that this is a basic zoom lens but not micro lens. If I had micro lens, we can see a lot of depth of field, like we can see the eyes of insects, we can see the pollen grains, everything in detail. I like the posture of the tree, and I want to capture it. Yeah, not bad. And it's being summer, I didn't find. If it's winter, we can find some crystals or snow droplets. It's good to capture them. Let's walk some further and find something beautiful. I hope I'll find something. Yes, see the green grass on burned land. I like that black color, yellow and green. But I find some interesting about this thing, so I want to capture it. I'll take another landscape or yeah, It's nice one. And having megapixels is a good thing, but having the good sensor is also a main thing in photography or in every camera. And wow, I find interesting there. I'll show you. I want to capture this one. Yeah, those are good images. Let's walk back where we started and find something else. Everything is very dry here because of the higher temperatures. At present, it's 32 degrees Celsius and the time is 8:30 a.m. And when I walking back, I find this. I like this flower. It's like a mini sunflower, and I want to capture it. The wind is blowing, and the object is little bit shaky. This camera has no image stabilization. We'll try. Those are good images. That's it for today, guys, because the last video is so boring. So I'm minimizing the videos from now, and hope you liked it. Thank you for watching till now, and tell me in the comments which picture do you like, and support me. You can find these pictures in Instagram. uh, the link is in description, and take care now. Bye bye then.